touch the body.
Up. Get up. Now.
Happy birthday, son.
Why don't you just cook the breakfast and try not to burn anything? Yes, Aunt Petunia. I want everything to be perfect for my Dudley special day.
Hurry up. Bring my coffee, boy.
Yes, Uncle Vernon.
Aren't they wonderful, darling?
How many are there?
36. Counted them myself.
36! But last year I had 37!
Yeah, well, some of them are quite a bit bigger than last
I
year.
don't care how big they are!
No. This is what we're going to do. Is that when we go out, we're going to buy you 2 new presents. How's that, Pumpkin?
I'm warning you now, boy. Any funny business, any at all, and you won't have any meals for a week. Giddy.
Make it move!
No!
Oh! He's asleep! He's boring. Sorry about him. He doesn't understand what it's like, lying there day after day, watching people press their ugly faces in on you.